The daily sales ledger in Rposio Cloud is your go-to report for an overview of all your sales. Let's take a look at it together. When you enter into daily sales, the ledger is always the first thing you're going to see. Up at the top, you can choose to hide or view different business units, and then select whether you want to view this report consolidated with all of your sales from multiple locations together or store by store. We'll take a look at that shortly. Then you're going to head over and choose whether you want to view a specific day or view a week, a month, or whatever specific date range you choose. Once you've selected your criteria, you hit apply and you'll see your stats. Over to the right, you can print to a network printer or to PDF, and you can even export the report to Excel. Let's take a look at what's featured on the report. At the top, you have your gross sales. Then below that, you're going to subtract out any refunds or discounts, and then you'll get your net sales. Next, there's a line for container deposits, if that's a feature in your state. The next line is our optional cash rounding feature. If you have that turned on, your POS will automatically adjust a cash sale to the nearest nickel. The next line is your sales tax total, and below that totals up your total to account for number. The next section of the report are the tenders. The cash line used to be the cash and drawer number, but now we've adjusted that to be your total cash sales for the day. Your other tenders will be listed below, and that will total up to a payments collected number. Below payments collected are all of your paid outs, whether it be a lotto paid out, employee paid out, safe drop, whatever you have set up in your system. And then below the total out is going to be your cash and drawer number. We moved it down there. The cash and drawer number is your total cash sales for the day minus all of your paid outs. The next section we've added is credit card totals. This will give you an expected deposit number that you can look for to show up in your bank account. It's got your credit card total and then an offline credit card total if you use an offline credit card tender. And then below that is your checkout fee, which we've now renamed non-cash adjustment, which is a more accounting-friendly term. If you add your credit card sales together and subtract out the non-cash adjustment, you'll get your expected deposit number. Your expected deposit number will depend on what your deal is with your credit card provider, but at least gives you a number to compare. Below credit card totals is the taxes section. This will list each of the taxes that are set up in your system, how much sales have been applied against each one, how much tax has been collected against each one, and if there are any tax-exempt sales. Moving on, we get to our other totals section. This will give you some handy info like transaction counts, how many store coupon discounts you gave out for the day, cancels, voids, and no sales. Below that are parent departments if you have any of those set up. And then below that is the department section. To view each store, you simply can click on each store's name and view their statistics for the day. Or if you'd like to view the consolidated version, choose consolidated, hit apply, and now you have a consolidated version. And again, you can now print this to a network printer or to PDF, or export it to Excel. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.